You ever notice how time feels like it's speeding up? One moment it's 2020 and now blink, it's 2025. You're still sitting there scrolling endlessly, wondering where the days went. Here's the hard truth. If you don't change something now, 2030 will roll around and you'll still be stuck in the same loop. So let me help you break free. Let's skip the usual set goals, exercise, read more lecture. You've heard it all before. And let's be honest, how much of it sticks? Instead, let's focus on one thing, breaking free. Free from what? The tiny rectangle in your hand. Remember life before it? We used to get lost in books, watch entire documentaries without checking notifications, and daydream just for fun. Now, even sitting through a 90-minute movie feels like a marathon. And yes, your mom was right. It's that damn phone. It's rewiring your brain, stealing your focus, and numbing your creativity. So here's the challenge. Go on a 5-day digital detox. No endless scrolling, no mindless doom loops. Use your phone only when it's absolutely necessary. Feeling bored? Good. Sit with it. Boredom isn't a bad thing. It's where creativity is born. And here's the beauty of it. When you're not glued to your phone, you suddenly have time. Time to pick up a new hobby, dive into books, or best of all, start working on your dreams. Imagine what you could achieve if you channeled even half the hours you spend scrolling into building the life you want. After 5 days, ease back into it with discipline. Set a hard limit of 2 hours of screen time a day. Trust me, it's not as hard as it sounds when you see how much lighter and clearer life feels. This isn't just about quitting a habit, it's about reclaiming your time, your focus, and ultimately your life. Happy New Year, and let me know if you're up for the challenge. Your future self will thank you.